Would you please state your name for the court?
Porky Pig.
What's the matter? Are you nervous?
Not nervous.
You sure sound nervous.
This is what I always say.
Maybe you're nervous because you're lying.
But I'm not.
Maybe you're lying because you don't want us to know your true identity. And the reason you don't want us to know your true identity is because you, sir, are the litterer. And a collective gasp fills the courtroom.
Are we done here?
Are you not wearing pants?
Where's the gift shop?
Please state your name for the court.
Bugs Bunny.
Mr. Bunny, where were you on the night of November 10th?
I'm not sure. But didn't this happen in the daytime on June 1st?
Aha! And how would you know that if you were not guilty of this heinous crime? Ladies and gentlemen, here is your litterer.
Daffy, just paid the fine.
Hostile witness!
Oh, you called this hostile? This is not hostile. If you want hostile, I'll give you hostile.
Objection!
Overruled.
That's what I say.
What?
Overruled.
Sustained!
Keep this up, and I'll hold you both in contempt of court.
I apologize for my friend, Your Highness. Now, if I may, what do we know? The piece of litter in question? A can of soda. So, it would fit that the litterer must like soda. It may surprise the court to learn that I, Daffy Duck, despise soda. Is anyone even listening here? The point is, I can't possibly be the litterer, because I don't like soda. And if the soda gets spit, you must acquit!
Order! You are both held in contempt and will be placed in jail immediately. Bailiff, take them away!
What'd I miss?